What's going on YouTube? It's your guy TopDownKickz back with another video. I got a pair of these Retro 11 Embraer lows. These bad boys need cleaning, wash, icing, re-glue, paint. So we're gonna go ahead and jump straight into it. We got the water ready, detergent. You can add a little bit of bleach. In this part of the video, we're gonna leave the laces in and let go. Man, these bad boys came out fresh to death. They still need a little bit of cleaning on the midsole. We need some icing, a little bit of more to paint on the inside, on part of the uppers, more acetone icing, and we good to go. Bust out that shoe sauce, boy. Apply it to the shoe, apply away. We're gonna put it on the midsole, the sides, the upper mid part of the white area, the front toe, and we good. Slap that bad boy on the plastic, get that razor, cut, wrap up. Make sure you wrap up. And we good to go. And we gonna slide to the left. And on this part of this video, guys, this is my ice setup. I use this a lot. And if you got any comments about this icing machine setup, just drop a comment down below. For now, we're gonna slide this ice machine on top like a cherry on top. And look at that. Them bad boys is ready to be iced. You know, it's your guy, TopDownKickz, back at it. Turning beat to heat. You see it. Yes, sir. Fresh out the ice box. 24 hours straight. Not so bad, right? If you go back to the beginning of the video, you can see a whole lot of difference from before, after. But straight into it, we're gonna bust out that paint. We're gonna apply it to the scuff marks, any defects on the leather material. We're gonna fill in any dots, any spots. E6 style super glue, and we're gonna apply it to the shoe. We got our rubber bands. We're gonna apply many as much as needed to make sure we seal that separation. We got our acrylic finisher, paintbrush. We're gonna use that to apply it to the shoe, seal in any paints so we know that paint won't chip off. Shoelaces, we're gonna lace back up the kicks, you know. And look at that. Wow, if you go back to the beginning of the video, these bad boys was rough. We're gonna check on this other pair of the shoe, see how the re-glue was doing at this point, and they not so bad. You can buy the super glue at Walmart, dollar store for 99 cents. Shoe trees, you can find at Walmart or local Kroger's for like $4 to $5. But that's it for this video. If you made it this far, make sure you drop a like, a comment, subscribe. And I'll catch you guys on the next video. Peace out.